There are several reasons why a tumble dryer could stop mid-cycle, many of which you can easily resolve yourself. Let's take a look at the most common causes of this issue. Cause 1. A full water tank. One of the most common reasons that a condenser tumble dryer stops during the cycle is that the water tank is full. If the tank is full, the machine has nowhere to put the new moisture from the drying cycle, and so the machine stops to stop the machine ending up damaged. If your machine has stopped during the cycle, empty the water tank and rinse it out to get rid of any debris or lint that might be blocking the condenser up. Cause 2. Open door. Another common cause of a tumble dryer stopping mid-cycle is that the door has either been opened or was not closed properly in the first place. If you suspect this is the case, make sure the lock on the door is clear from any debris that could be stopping it from locking properly. Then shut the door again before starting the machine back up. Cause 3. Dirty moisture sensor. Many modern tumble dryers have a moisture sensor that will stop the cycle early if the laundry is dry. If the sensor is dirty, the cycle could stop prematurely. To rectify this, you need to simply clean the sensors. If the machine is hot, let it cool down before attempting to clean, otherwise you could end up burning yourself. Cause 4. Too much or too little laundry. Over or underloading a tumble dryer can cause a variety of issues. The most common, however, is that it stops the moisture sensor from being able to tell whether the laundry is dry. Make sure that the amount of laundry you attempt to dry at any given time is in between any weight restrictions recommended by the manufacturer. Cause 5. Full fluff filter. A modern tumble dryer is unlikely to let you complete a cycle if the lint filter is full, as this could damage the machine. Take the lint filter out and remove any visible lint and debris. Cause 6. Damaged drive belt. A damaged drive belt can stop a tumble dryer mid-cycle. To check if this is the case, open the door and try to turn the drum by hand. If the drum spins with no resistance whatsoever, the drive belt might be damaged or faulty. In this situation, you will need to contact a technician or the manufacturer of your machine. Cause 7. Electrical failure. An electrical fault is a common complaint. This could be a simple electrical spike or surge, or could be something more serious. In the case of an electrical issue, unplug the appliance completely and leave it for a couple of minutes before plugging it back in and trying again. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.